I'm Swami Raj Vibhu, and if you are ready to keep your minds a little relaxed, your knowledge and education a little down, I would like to open a completely new perspective of fertility, a completely new doorway, which can actually enhance the fertility quotient of the world. Is it going down? Fertility नीचे जा रहा है ऊपर जा रहा है with all those advancement? नीचे जा रहा है ना? Are we missing something? कुछ मिस कर रहे हैं? तो I'll make you do some experiments also, जिससे कि आपको भी समझ में आ जाए. You'll get to know. But let's connect. Let's first find out the missing factor. So if somebody goes in space where there is no environment as such, do you think there will be fertility? अगर हम किसी दूसरे ग्रह में जाते हैं, we go to another planet to find out life, what do we look for? देखते क्या हैं? Water, but water formation के लिए क्या चाहिए? दोबारा से अपने बचपन में साइंस पढ़ा था ना, उसको रिकॉल करना पड़ेगा. प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर. ध्यान से सुनिए. प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर लुकिंग फॉर फंडामेंटली, जिसको हम कहेंगे एनवायरमेंट, इकोसिस्टम. बट व्हाट इज इकोसिस्टम? प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर. ओके, फर्टिलिटी की बात करते हैं. इफ यू just think about fertility in animal kingdom, plant kingdom, what comes in your mind? आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है? fertility imagine किया, what comes in your mind? flower, किसी को flower आ रहा है? plant अभी दे रहे हैं हम जो गिफ्ट में, breaking of seed, breaking of seed, breaking of an egg and a chick coming out. कोकून से बटरफ्लाई निकल रहा. फर्टिलिटी. मगर इन सब में कॉमन क्या है? कैन इट हैपन विदाउट प्रेशर? कैन इट हैपन विदाउट प्रेशर? एंड यू आर ऑल ग्रोन अप. यू नो व्हाट फिजिकल इंटीमेसी मीन्स? द राइट प्रेशर. नहीं? Isn't it? So pressure, fundamentally, pressure also creates temperature. Pressure जितना बढ़ाएंगे temperature बढ़ेगा कि नहीं? So fundamentally, pressure is the key. Pressure key है fertility का. इसको कनेक्ट करने के लिए let's understand, can we even move without creating the right pressure? Can we do an experiment? So let's see, ये pressure कैसे काम करता है. Right? Can you clasp your fingers and try to pull? उंगलियों को फंसाएं और खींचने की कोशिश करें. How do you pull? How do you create pressure? How do you create pressure? I mean, I'm coming to the key. चाबी की तरफ मैं आ रहा हूं. If you can use the key correctly, we can create magic. How we creating the pressure? दोबारा से करें. And let me tell you, and wherever I'm indicating, look there. दोबारा से करते हैं. Do it with some force. थोड़ा जोर लगाइए. देखिए पीछे सांस रोकते हैं. सांस रोकते हैं प्रेशर बनाने के लिए. ओके, कुछ और करते हैं. लेट्स पुश. जोर लगाइए. जितना जोर लगाएंगे उतनी सांस रोकनी पड़ेगी. हाँ या ना? यस और नो? द मोर यू वांट टू क्रिएट द इंपैक्ट ऑफ पुश, द मोर यू विल हैव टू होल्ड योर ब्रेथ. नाउ दिस इज नॉट जस्ट टू थिंग्स. Whatever you do, even if you get up from the chair, what happened? You created a little pressure by holding your breath. walking, jogging, yoga, Zumba, aerobics, climbing staircases, doing household chores, singing, dancing. You create a variable amount of breath hold to create a different amount of pressure for that function to happen. Right? So, pressure ecosystem of your body. समझे एक word use कर, I'm using this word, pressure ecosystem of your body. If that pressure ecosystem is not correct, your functions of your organ will not happen properly. Hormonal imbalance आ जाएगा. If that pressure doesn't happen properly, not only hormones, your metabolism will not be fine. Your body will not be able to utilize food properly. If that pressure ecosystem is not fine, because any kind of movement in the body happens in a pressure gradient. What is definition of fertility? In fact, we don't have an exact definition of fertility. I am telling you the definition of fertility. The pressure ecosystem of your body is an indicator of your fertility quotient. Now, treatment can happen because you are learned people, but you have learned only one thing. Your mind has gone in one direction. So let's open up a little bit. Think out of the box. ट्रीटमेंट कितने तरीके से हो सकता है इंसान का? मेडिसिन? What else? But are we looking beyond medicine? अभी फ्रीजिंग एम्ब्रियो के बारे में बात हो रहा था और एग्स. बट फर्टिलिटी इज योर बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ. अगर फ्रीज कर भी लेंगे तो गर्भ धारण नहीं कर पाएंगे. So we are just looking at support. We are not looking at enhancing the fertility factor of human body. So दो और चीजें बची हैं. Medicine is the weakest kind of a treatment humanity can get to. The second, altering the temperature ecosystem of your body, thermal ecosystem of your body. But to do that, either you will have to use temperature from outside, from inside if you want to create the thermal or change the thermal map of your body, you will have to create pressure again. Third factor, through pressure, you can treat the human body in the most powerful manner. Unless and until we look out of the box, we will not come to the realistic solutions. Because the solution that we are looking at or bringing about, they are not really helping the human body to enhance its fertility quotient. We call this Kumbhak Chikitsa or Kumbhak therapy, altering the pressure ecosystem of human body. And what we have achieved, in just 1 month's time, your AMH count increases. Just now we had a lady who had 0 egg and she conceived naturally. What you call as impossibility, this body always had that possibility. Fertility is body's own strength, the fertility strength. So, Kumbhak therapy, as I said, you can change the hormonal ecosystem, or enhance hormones. Obviously, because of the metabolic weakness, people are getting into all those chronic diseases are increasing. Diabetes, increasing, decreasing in the world, increasing. Blood pressure, heart disease, it has become #1 cause of death. Yes. Thyroid, 50 years back, just remember your grandmother. उनको थायराइड था क्या? Increasing cancer, increasing at the rate of 12% every year. 80% of total problem are chronic in nature. सभी तो बढ़ रहा है, कोई भी तो कम नहीं हो रहा, कोई भी तो कम नहीं हो रहा. So we must bring about a completely new way of treatment which can complement the current system. We can't take off whatever we are doing at this point of time, but we need to bring about something very, very strong which can complement and enhance. Like metabolism, can it be increased? Yes, it can be increased. Can you come out of all these chronic ailments? 80% of total problem are chronic in nature. एक भी तो ठीक नहीं हुआ. 100 साल में एक इंसान बता दीजिए डायबिटीज का दवाई खाकर ठीक हो गया. मैनेज कर रहे हैं ना. सो इफ यू आर यूजिंग समथिंग फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड, है ना, बैसाखी के सहारे चलने से आप स्ट्रांग तो नहीं होने वाले ना. व्हेन इट इज रिक्वायर्ड यू कैन डू अ लिटिल मैनेजमेंट फॉर सम टाइम, दैट्स ओके. बट यू वांट टू डिपेंड ऑन मेडिसिन थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ, तो हम तो डिसेबल कर रहे हैं ह्यूमैनिटी को ना. सो डोंट यू थिंक आफ्टर 50 years everybody will be disabled, will be using some chemical? Fertility will be gone. It's going down. Just look around you. नीचे जा रहा है, पर fertility नहीं बढ़ा रहे. We are thinking about some kind of a support technology, but that will not increase the fundamental fertility of human system. Only if you correct the pressure ecosystem and the thermal ecosystem, the material management of the body will be taken care of. इसी को आयुर्वेद में क्या कहते हैं? वात, पित्त, कफ. Right? But Ayurveda also lost the mechanism to correct or change, alter the pressure ecosystem of human body. They are also now dependent on more or less herbs only. So when we say Kumbhak therapy, this is the Brahmastra of Ayurveda, which has been lost. So we do a diagnosis to map the pressure of a human body. We call it Prana Shakti diagnosis, one of its kind in the world. Innovation बहुत बड़े यूनिवर्सिटी में नहीं होता, ये आपके अंदर होता है. इफ यू आर जस्ट लुकिंग डिफरेंटली, थोड़ा अलग तरीके से देखेंगे तो इनोवेशन आप भी कर पाएंगे. सो प्राणशक्ति डायग्नोसिस एंड वी डू अ गर्भधान formula. It's a formula, different formula. We are using breath predominantly, but we are also using, like in Ashtanga Garbh Samskara, we have said Dashavatara Hatha Kumbhak. It's a formula. It's a formula जो कि आपके प्रेशर इकोसिस्टम को ऑल्टर करेगा. वी आर डूइंग रिसर्च इन दिस. इसमें टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल करना है, लेकिन हम तो बहुत छोटे लोग हैं. वी जस्ट हैड एन आइडिया अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2.5 years बैक कि चलो शुरू करते हैं, बट वी डिडंट हैव एनी मनी. पैसा नहीं था, और किसी को बताएं भी तो समझ में नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज यू थिंक ट्रीटमेंट इज द प्रेरोगेटिव ऑफ मेडिसिन. बट 100 साल में तो मेडिसिन से कोई भी ट्रीट नहीं हुआ. हुआ है क्या? सो वी स्टार्टेड दिस. आई क्रिएटेड फॉर्मूलाज एंड वी गॉट magical result. We want to refine it, do more research into it, bring in technology. Through technology, we can actually map the pressure ecosystem of human body. And we can create specific formulas. Still, at this point of time also, we are giving customized Kumbhak formulas by diagnosing each and every person. The whole Ashtanga Garbh Sanskara, which is kind of a 9 months to 10 months program, everywhere there is a formula. We can refine this formula. This Kumbhak therapy is such a vast area of research that even if we do 100 years of research, we'll not be able to justify the potential of Kumbhak therapy. It has application in every sphere of human system. You want to improve kidney function, heart function, liver function? Kumbhak therapy is the key. And we have more than 15,000 patients who have gone through Kumbhak therapy, left their medicine, living a healthy, empowered life. So by support from outside, you can never be empowered. Support should be given to somebody who is strong from inside. If the person is weak from inside, and if you give support, the person will become even weaker. This is what is happening to humanity. We are weak from inside, and we want to take support from outside. We'll become even weaker. Data proves it. 100 years of data. I invite everybody who is working in this sphere of fertility or otherwise, handling disease. Let's think something out of the box. Let's think something. Kumbhak therapy is complementary. Even if you do IVF, your success rate will shoot up if you give Kumbhak therapy along with it. If you're doing any other treatment, chronic treatment, if you give Kumbhak therapy, the results will be phenomenal. Ultimately, we are working to empower humanity, isn't it? And, you know, we have done a lot earlier also. If you look at the history of this country, we have done a lot in the area of fertility. There is a need to bring about all those researches which was done, and don't think treatment or research can happen only in one direction. Let's bring in all those knowledge and apply it, because everything is complementary. There is no competition as such when it comes to human empowerment. So we should work together to bring about protocols and methodologies for a better result, for a risk-free future. Okay, last point, because I know the time is limited. क्या आप genetics बदल सकते हैं? Can you change genetics? Last point. क्रोमोसोमल डिफेक्ट को ठीक कर सकते हैं क्या आप? So let's understand how genetics is made. वहां तक चले. डार्विन थ्योरी सबने पढ़ा. A zebra became a giraffe. एक zebra जिराफ बन गया. कैसे बन गया? उसने पेड़ की ऊंची डाली पे जो पत्ते थे वो खाने की कोशिश की. When it made an effort to pull the neck up. Slowly, steadily, the genetics changed, it became giraffe. यही है ना? Everybody knows it? तो ऐसे उचकाने के लिए गर्दन को उसको क्या करना पड़ा होगा? आप अगर करेंगे तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? सांस रोक के एफर्ट लगाना पड़ेगा. कुंभक करना पड़ेगा आपको. If it is done properly, we can change the genetics in a very short period of time. This is with effort only you can change genetics. And if you do it with a formula, consciously, in the right manner, you can change genetics in a very short period of time. Everything can be done. You just need to look beyond what you have actually gathered. Right? So I'll stop here. This is what we are doing. So we invite everybody to collaborate, and let's work together to empower the whole humanity.